up, you guys? Welcome back for another salon work video. You guys loved the previous video that I did, so I figured why not? Let's do another one. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a 360 lace frontal install. This is a 360 lace frontal cap and it has two bundles. Now this is a little bit different than your average 360 frontal with the opening in the middle. This is actually attached to a cap, so it's a little bit easier. My opinion, I actually like these a lot better. So here we are, you guys. This is my client. I'm going to be braiding her down, just a very simple braid pattern. I'm basically interlocking the braids and just, you know, creating a nice flat foundation. I interlock the braids in the back, and then that little tail that sticks out, I just go ahead and sew it up so that we can have a nice flat foundation to work with. This is some oil that I'm going to be putting on my client's scalp. I always oil my client's scalp. This is oil that she provided. We're just going to put that on and work it through. Now, I did go ahead and color the hair, you guys. I did not get a chance to record this. This was like an hour or maybe like 2 hours before she got to me. Like, I literally just was like, let's just color it to give it some color. You know, I didn't want to do it all black. So I did color the hair in bundles, just using some 40 volume bleach developer, and I toned it out a little bit to get some of that brassy tones out. So here we are, you guys. Put on the 360 cap. Now, a lot of people don't really like 360s. I have a love-hate relationship with them. I think they're good, but they just aren't for everybody. What you want to do first is cut out the ear, okay? Cut out the ear, because that's, you know, vital part when it comes to sewing this down and installing it. You really want that to be the flattest part, because if you don't, it's just not gonna fit right. So carve out the ear first, but before that, make sure that it fits you properly. I do want to say that. So make sure it fits, and when it fits good, then go ahead and carve out the ear. Sometimes you might have to cut into the actual hair on the cap if you want it to fit. So don't be afraid to cut, because you want this to fit your client's head. Remember that everybody's head is not the same. So after that, you guys, I like to go ahead and have my client hold down the front, because whenever you're sewing down a frontal, a 360 frontal, if you're sewing and, you know, something's attached, it's going to move. It's going to move. So I'm having her hold down the front of that frontal, and I am just finding that bottom braid that I created in the braid pattern, and I'm just sewing the cap down. One thing I like about these caps, you ain't got to do all of that sewing. Like, it's all hooked together, because when you have those 360s with the opening, you literally have to sew around the 360 circle and then go back in and sew the tracks. Anybody got time for that? So I really like these caps for that purpose, especially because it's easier and it's quicker. What I do is go in on that last braid, like right above her ear. I go in and I sew that down, because I really want it to lay flat. My client, she does work out a lot, and we will be adhering this down, but it just really helps with keeping everything laying nice and flat. Because even if you do apply, you know, glue, you still want it to really, really lay flat. So I went ahead and customized it as I do, tweak it up, tweeze it, you name it, carve out the lace. And after you do that, then you're pretty much free to start sewing your bundles in. I like to adhere my front of the lace down first. I like to adhere that down, and I'm just using, I'm not sure if I'm using Gold Bond or Bold Hold. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I don't remember. I will list all of the products below in the description box with links so that you guys can find them. Before you apply your adhesive, make sure that you do clean the area and apply a protectant, and I will list that information below in the description box as well. Personally, for me, you know, all stylists are different. So personally, I like to lay the hairline down first, because once you start sewing, especially with this type of cap, things will start to shift and move a little bit. So be safe, adhere your stuff down first, lay your baby hairs, all that good stuff, and tie it down, and then you'll be ready to sew in the bundles. So here you guys see I already installed the first bundle, which is the 20-inch. I did double weft that, and you guys, this was just enough of hair. 2 bundles was just enough. If you want a more fuller look, then I would definitely recommend 2.5, 3 bundles. But typically with a 360, you don't need no more than, you really don't need that many bundles, because you want to be able to pull the hair up. That's the whole point of a 360, so that you can have that versatility in the back. So you don't want to pull your hair up and have a whole lump in the back because you got too many bundles sewed down. Okay, so yeah, this was definitely enough. We actually didn't have any hair left, which was a plus. Now we pretty much are finished. We're gonna just wear it in a natural wave that it comes, just taking some water and spraying it down, and then I'm gonna be applying some styling mousse to the hair to make the curls pop.
It's called Smooth and Shine.
This from I've used some of their stuff before, I think.
Yeah, they got the good mousse. So like,
is that the hair store? Or okay,
yep.
Because they sell jam.
Yeah.
I'm going to add some finishing touches to this look. We're pretty much complete here. I get a lot of questions about my location. You guys, I am located in Michigan. Yes, I am a licensed cosmetologist, and I am accepting clients. I will leave my booking information below in the description box so that you guys can check it out.
Swing it, and then you can kind of spin, you know, kind of, there you go.
Here is the completed look for this installation. I know some of y'all are going to be like, Jasmine, that's just not enough of hair. It's not too full. It's kind of thin. Like, I can hear it already. I can see it in my comments, but believe me, you guys, 2 bundles is just enough, especially being that it's a 360. A 360 is supposed to be versatile, and you want to be able to pull it up and have a nice, sleek back appearance. Okay, before you leave, you guys, check out that description box. I'm going to leave everything down there for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification button so that you guys will not miss another video from me. And I want you guys to leave below your suggestions or any recommendations of videos you guys want to see. I will be doing more of these salon work videos. So thanks again for joining me. Bye.